Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into my channel. Hey, if you're new, consider subscribing. I upload fly fishing videos every week. And thanks for tuning in. And if you wouldn't mind, hit the, I don't know where it is quite, but hit the thumbs up button for me. I appreciate it. So a buddy of mine fished Coldwater Lake last year, and we did kind of a semi-live stream. It was just he and I fishing. We have a bit of a competition on who can catch the most fish up at Coldwater, all the way up to the Margaret backcountry and back, and probably about 45 minutes of us catching great fish, beautiful wildlife, and amazing scenery. I never released the video in its entirety because at that time the channel was pretty new and I thought, who in the heck is ever gonna watch a 45-minute video? But now I've got a great community of you, thank you very much. I thought you might enjoy it, right? Maybe it's a weekend, you got nothing else to do, it's winter, so you just wanna enjoy two guys having a lot of fun, catching a lot of great fish in a beautiful surrounding. So enjoy, and I appreciate you watching. All right, guys, fish on. I'm fairly certain this is what it means to get up at the ass crack of dawn. Just after 3 o'clock, I'm headed to Toledo to meet my buddy Jeff Ramsey. We're gonna fish Coldwater Lake all day today. Can't wait. Got my coffee, got my car keys. Let's do this. Fish on. Nothing better than getting up here just before dawn.
Do you see any aliens?
No aliens. Thank God for editing. Wow, it's beautiful. All right, here we are, Coldwater Lake. It's been since what, 2009 since we shot a video together up here?
Wow.
We got the eider.
And you know what's funny is I'm still the only one working, just like 10 years ago.
That's right, and I'm videotaping. And that will be the excuse you use that you'll catch more fish because I'm on the videotape. But let's do this, let's go fishing.
All
Fish
right.
on. There we are, Coldwater Lake. It's been since 2009 since Jeff and I filmed a video here. Perfect day, a little bit of a late start. Well, late for us anyway, because as usual, we're the only people here. Yeah. Just beautiful.
Wow.
All right, Jeff Ramsey, let's go do this.
All right.
Got Fly Fish Jan and Jeff the Ramrod Ramsey. Let's go fishing. Let's do this. Fish on. Here we are back at Coldwater Lake. Fish are rising. Oh, there's the mountain over there. Beautiful. The mountain's starting to come out. Alpenglow, just gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. Love fishing this lake. Well, wonder who's gonna get the first fish of the day. Mr. Jeff Ramsey.
Well, you never know.
Let's do this. Cannot wait. Gosh, just so calm out too. And as usual, we are the only, well, first and only people on the lake.
Crazy.
I've got my new fly line I just purchased for my 4-weight TCR. I'm excited about that. It's virgin line, we got to get a fish on it.
Felt it too.
First fish, I'm gonna see if I can go steal it.
No, I felt the hook.
You did?
Yeah.
Dang it.
Dang it. That means the fly works.
Yep. Do you have a little Madam X?
I do. Well, it's not a peacock, but it's not the red one. It's the, what is it called? Ooh, fuzzy thing. Dang it. To it too, Dan. I was going to steal it.
Damn it. It's gonna happen though.
It will. No, I don't think that's the only fish.
First fish of the day. Fish on.
I don't know. It's not leaders yet.
Took my little Madam X. Ooh, yeah, that's a good fish. Nice. Tell you, my fishing partner Jeff needs to take some guiding lessons. turn the motor off so it'll drag the fish down the river.
Reeling in some of my line.
Nice. Let's see if I can do this without falling in. It's a nice fish. Great start to the day. Nice rainbow. Yeah. Oh. This is the part I edit out. Ooh, the water's a lot warmer. Check it out. Nice start to the day. Ooh, self-released. Like that. Nice. Sun's just coming up. Oh. Did you have one? Did you feel him?
Nope. Waffle.
Wow, the sun's just starting to come over the ridge. So beautiful. You can see the fog just hanging on the lake. Just gorgeous morning.
I think that's my cigar.
Probably. I haven't light one up myself. I've been too busy videotaping. But just, God, I just love fishing this lake. It just never gets old. I mean, how many times have we fished this place? I mean, we've been fishing now for what, over
13 years.
No, it's been 15. Yeah, the first pictures I have with Ren, he was like 14 years old, and he's now 30. So, pretty cool. Uh-oh, fish rising. Better get to work. All right, so now I've got to see. I have an opportunity right here. So, fish just rose. I can get him to come up and eat it, but look at all the weeds down below us. Oh, wow. Missed that one. Oh, he annihilated it. Wow.
Dang. I'm on the wrong side of the boat.
Shoot. See if we can get him to come back up. He really hit it hard. I didn't feel him though, but he blasted it. There's another fish right over here. Oh, refusal. Came up and looked at it. Fooled a few of these guys, but got some cool wildlife here. Got the deer and her two little fawns. Very cool. Boy, they're just babies.
Wow.
Seems like a little late in the year for them to be as small as they are. That's great. Oh, we just got to First Creek and we were going to indicator fish, but I threw my little dry in there and got a nice trout. Like a good one. It's been a while since caught a fish this big here. Oh yeah, it's nice. Look at that. Wow. He was right where he's supposed to be. That's a nice fish. Gave me a little shower. Look at that guy. It's a nice fish.
Just sitting there waiting for you.
Yeah, right there. Look at that. Nice. All right, buddy. Very cool. So we fish these awesome creeks that run into the lake. There's probably a dozen or more that run into the lake, and some of it's snow melt, some of it's spring fed, but for whatever reason the fish love to just kind of hang out in these small little mouths of these creeks. And just landed one and had another take a crack at the fly, but seem to always produce fish. Gotta love that. All right, we're approaching Gramps Creek. This is the second major creek coming up the west side of the lake. Let's see if there's anybody home. It's not like a competition or anything, but you know, I've caught 3 fish. Jeff has got 0 fish so far.
So I'm helping you do some filming.
See if we can get another fish here. I do feel like we should indicator fit the fish this though. What do you think?
Okay.
All right, there was nobody home on the dry, so now we're gonna try throwing a little indicator. Jeff's got 15 rods out here.
Yeah.
Try to get his first fish.
That'll do.
See if I can reach over there. Ah!
I'm getting there.
There we go. Still got my squala and my chironomid. This little piece of water has done great things for us in the past. Come on. Drops off nice. Yeah, that's right. Try that again. There's no fish here. Blinked. Nice. Jeff was targeting this big fish that was rising by this stump, and he got it. Look at that. Nice fish. Ooh, that's a nice fish. Look really nice. Sweet.
Little guy.
Way to go, Jeff. First fish of the day.
Look at that.
Look at that guy.
Look at the gill plates on there.
Beautiful. Oh, self-released. Sweet. High five.
I got one. The cool thing, I like our rule that we learned in Florida tarpon fishing that
Yeah.
doesn't get leadered. So
Ooh.
right now it still doesn't count, does it?
This is a quality coldwater fish.
I have to use the net.
Wow. Nice job. Second fish right by the stump. Oh, it's good looking too. It's a big fish. Oh, nice. Sheesh. Wow. That is a quality fish.
That's got to be 28, 30 inches.
Oh, well,
Look at that.
look at that. That's a beaut. That is a beautiful fish.
Let's get that out of your face. There it is.
There it is. Oh, self-released. Nice fish. Got some dry fly action starting to happen. Right where they're supposed to be, literally in a couple feet of water right off the bank. Maybe I should edit that out. We don't want people to know where to actually fish.
Yeah. Right down the middle of the lake. That's
Right
where they are.
smack down in the middle of the lake. You always want to be at least 100+ feet of water. That's where the fish are.
Power bait.
Power bait and spinners.
Darn, that was a big lunker.
And that was quality.
Hit it and go deep.
Yeah, I think so too. They come running up, blast it. So much fun though when they start hitting these dries. Just got a feeling it's going to happen again. We've caught, what, 2 fish in the last 10 minutes? A couple of misses. So all of a sudden, it's turned on.
And we're just headed down cut through alley.
Yeah, this is a great stretch with all the rocks. We've caught so many cuts out of here.
And the cool thing is, you know right away when you out of cutthroat hit it, as opposed to a rainbow, you know? They just hammer it,
Smash it.
and then go straight down.
All right, we got a fish rising up by the shore here. Let's see if he's gonna want to eat my dry. It's about right where he was. Tough not having any type of riffle on the surface though, you know. Just had that slight little riffle, hides the fly, and oh, there he is.
I think he's right here.
Oh, oh, he missed it. Dang it.
I'll get him.
Oh, I kind of felt him.
Oh.
Damn it. Ah, it's so bad when you make the cast, you miss the fish. Damn it. Yeah. God, just a beautiful day. You can see all the cottonwood sitting on the water. Doesn't seem to be bothering the fish. This is one of our favorite streams that come in here. Usually split into 2. It's just one right now, but it's not flowing super heavy, but a lot of times fish will just sit here right on the edge. But just such a great spot. So beautiful here. Just incredible. Wow. Well, I'm going to throw an indicator off the edge here. See if I can get a fish. Sometimes we pick up fish here at these creeks on indicators. I'll go down deep to see if I can drag one out. Jeff's still on the dry fly. Caught some big fish out of this hole.
Wow. See if they're looking up or looking down. Good thing we have barbless hooks.
Yeah, no kidding. I know my problem was I wasn't standing in the creek. Now I'm gonna catch one. Getting handcuffed by a Jeff as usual. What a beautiful lake. It's tough to call this little section the most scenic in Coldwater because it is just an incredible fishery no matter where you go. But this waterfall, and I would say it's probably seasonal, right? It goes dry late summer sometimes. But we've caught a lot of fish, and of course it's just beautiful with the wildflowers and water cascading. I guess it's fed by a lake that's up above that gets too full, and that's its outlet. But super, just beautiful falls. We're gonna see if there's a fish where they should be, right here on the outlet. So the one cool thing, and I posted a video like this I think 12 years ago, just the sound, right? It disappears. When you round this corner, it's like the waterfall was never there. Just a crazy acoustical anomaly. That is so crazy. It's just like sound is turned off. I know. It's just nuts.
And when it's really running, you can hear it echo over there. So it goes from being on this side to being on the other side.
Just must be like an amphitheater. It's pretty cool. This can be a productive stretch sometimes. Let's see if there's a fish. The lake is a little bit low, isn't it? It's probably a couple feet. Ooh, there's a fish. Kind of overshot him a little bit. Ooh, there's another big fish.
Whose fuzzy thing did they want? Mine? Yeah.
Oh, nice job. Oh,
Did you get the camera on?
I did, as a matter of fact. Nicely done.
Wow.
It's not like it's a competition or anything.
No, but it is.
It totally
It
is.
3 to 3 now.
It is. See if we can get a double hitter.
Oh.
Nice fish.
There we go.
Yeah. Osprey, come and steal your fish. Beautiful fish. Very nice. Oh. Fish on. Oh, shit. Oh, no. He's swimming right at me. Oh, is he gone? Oh, no. Oh, I think I still got him. Oh, he's literally swimming right at me. Oh, and he spit it. Damn it. Another fish rise right over by these cliffs. My fly's starting to sink a little bit. The thing I love about fishing this lake is that, you know, when you're fishing along the edge, you have so many targets to shoot for. Big rocks and underwater logs and, you know, weed lines and creek inlets. I mean, it's just a cornucopia of stuff to shoot at. All of which, you know, are holding fish like that. Just a little guy, I think. Pretty incredible place. With this kind of, yeah, we did, didn't we? With this kind of view. Oh, damn it. Ah.
That was a wind set.
I did, I know. I wasn't paying attention. I was watching your spaghetti line. Dang it. Comes a stretch here we call the Cliffs. It's done pretty well for us over the years. It's like to push that fly just right up against the rocks. Of course, I just landed mine on the rocks. See, look at that. There's a fish right in there. Oh, crap. Dang it. It's pretty, the ferns that are back in there. I have to admit, that was a pretty good cast. No fish.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, fish on. Oh, almost a doubleheader. Oh, I missed mine again. Oh, dang it. Nice job. Oh, twice. Twice I had the opportunity. It's a nice fish. Jeez, I can't believe I missed that fish twice.
Yeah. Just like that, he takes the lead for the first time of the day.
Yep, 5-4. Oh, can you back her up? Thank you. Oh shit, there's a deer right here. Like right here.
Oh wow.
How cool is that?
That was a mountain goat.
He's climbing like one. It's all right, buddy. Just passing through. Feel like it's gonna happen again though. I had the opportunity to cast anyway. I got a sinking fly.
You know, as nice as it is, I hate to ask for some wind.
I know. Well, the fish keep hitting it, you know. Without the wind, that's good. What is happening?
With the reaction time.
They don't feel like solid takes. Oh, there's a fish right there. I can see him cruising. Ignored the fly. Saw him cruising right against the rocks. How crazy is that? It's not often you can see them from this far away, you know? Pretty incredible. We filmed this washout over 10 years ago, and it was just rocks and mud, and now it's almost completely grown over with small alder and different brush. It's almost it almost doesn't look like an alluvial fan anymore. It's incredible how quickly nature kind of takes stuff back, you know? Oh! Had to duck dodge that fly. It's beautiful. The wildflowers have returned on the on the alluvial fan. For so long it was just this rubble of rock. Now, I mean, look at it. It's just this beautiful meadow. I mean, it's so picturesque, it looks like somebody staged it, you know?
Yeah, and what's weird is all of this fan.
Oh. Oh, I was too busy looking at the flowers, and I missed the fish. Dang it.
First hit on that fly, though.
It is. It's good news. It's going to work. But you're right, all that material is way up there. It's so funny, you know, you could stare at your fly 99.9% of the time. Then the one time you reach down for the motor, or looking at the scenery, that's when the fly gets eaten.
It's like they know.
But look at that. That's just gorgeous. I got a rising fish over here. Let's see if I can tempt him with my bug. I'm fairly certain I'm going to just combust at any minute. It is so freaking hot. You know, it's probably not even 70 degrees, but it's just the radiant heat of the sun just drilling a hole in your head. I'm gonna dip my hat here pretty soon.
Another refusal.
I just think it's, yeah. You gotta find one really eager, I think. Yep.
Yeah, they have time to look at it and see the Made in China sign.
That's not real. Oh, there's a little dinks too, I think. so cool how the water is backed up behind that log. And now it's like it's a little waterfall.
Yeah, it's been that way for a couple of years.
So crazy. It's just like Mother Nature staged it. Well, we made it to the end of the lake. Back there is the Margaret backcountry, somewhere that I'd like to hike at some point. Probably need a day to do it and an overnight. Just absolutely just beautiful day. What are we at now? 5 fish to 4 fish?
5 to 4.
Wow. Just gorgeous. All right, we made it to the end of the lake. So we're where Coldwater Creek runs in. Not a lot of creek right now. It's getting, kind of late in the year for any type of snow runoff, which feeds this creek. But we've done pretty well so far. We've had lots of opportunities, almost 9 fish between the two of us to the boat, but we're now going to try for some indicator fishing. This is notoriously good for the west slope cutthroat that are in this lake, and hope to pick one up. I'm going to throw an indicator, set up a squala nymph and chironomid. See what happens. Fish on! Oh, by the way, it's maybe 70 degrees, but the radiant heat literally is just baking both of our brains. It is so friggin' hot. Whew. We got this. All right. Feeling good about the indicator setup here. This is done well in the past. Not a lot of current though. See if we can get a fish to come up. Drops off really nicely here. Over the years we fished this little sand pumice delta have changed dramatically, and there are some years that we have taken a step and found ourselves waist deep in liquefied sand. So it's about the closest thing to quicksand I think we've got in Washington, but it was pretty scary to be walking along and then just all of a sudden disappear. Get one? And Jeff's hooked up over there. He's fishing the other arm of the creek. Oh, there we go.
This is number 7, by the way.
Nice. I know, I'm going to get behind on the count trying to catch one on the indicator. I'm not sure how long I want to keep trying. Nice.
It is fun to hit that swallow,
I know.
You feel the air coming out of the straw. It's nice.
Yeah, it does. You're right. I can feel that too. Well, since Jeff has already caught 2 fish over here on the dry, I'm going to put away the indicator and go for what's working. Got a nice little ripple starting to happen here. Little breeze, feels so good. Now we just need a rising fish. Got to get busy. I was messing around with the indicator, and now I'm down some fish. Jeff's almost double digits. I know. Just, you know, just hoping for some diversity in the day is all. Clearly,
Yeah, just getting some good film.
clearly we're just going to keep catching fish on the same exact fly. As if there's something wrong with that. Ugh.
I know. Nine to 4. Don't hear that very often.
Watch this, I can just delete it.
Here I am at Coldwater by myself. That sucks.
I'll just dub in. I've caught 3 fish to your 20. It's a great thing about editing. Who's the captain now? Oh, that was my fly that he ate, but it was a fly beyond my fly. That's pretty funny. Been an awesome day so far. Only midway through. It's time to crack open a beer. Just happened to have an IPA in the fridge that I brought along. It's icy cold. That's good. Cheers. Here's to catching more fish. Well, Jeff caught all the fish over by the river, so now I'm gonna try here in Cluster Cove. It's the rated PG version of what we normally call this place. Got fish rising in there. Yeah. See one dead ahead. Some action here now, so I gotta get up off the chair and start getting serious. A little bit windy, but I think it's in my favor. Hook tied on a great big ant. Go catch that fish. It's 3 inches long there, Jeff. I'm gonna catch the big one. They call me Big Fish Dan. It's got a little protrusion.
That's Please Fly Fishing Guide Service.
There we go. See, so you'd be the only guide service that just would shove the client out of the way to catch the fish.
Cast there. Okay.
Ramrod Guide Services, get the f out of the way. It's the only fly fishing guide service that the guide will always outfish the client.
Where the guide guide always wins.
The guide always wins. Wow, what a difference a couple hours can make. We had this calm, beautiful day, and now we're probably bucking a 10 to 15 mile an hour wind. We got some pretty good waves, chop happening, really tough to fish. So we're gonna race up to what we call Liar's Cove. We call it Liar's Cove because the guy behind me here told me he was using a certain fly, caught like 10 fish, and then realized that he wasn't using that certain fly. So now we call it Liar's Cove.
Yeah. And speaking of catching 10 fish, I have 11.
11 fish, I've got 5 fish, but you know, I've been really diligent about, you know, looking at the entomology and doing my filming, and you know, I just haven't been concentrating like I normally would. Forget it. Yep, I'm being outfished. Damn it! Liar's Cove, here we come. Poor rider is breaking through some white caps. It's getting windy.
You look back on that video and it'll look like 2 different days.
I know, it's crazy. Yeah, it's like several days all smashed into one for sure. Definitely looks different now than it did then. Oh, it's the deadliest catch on Coldwater. So crazy that not very long ago it was just completely dead calm. And this cove could be so good, I hate passing it up. Still got my big ant on. Come on, fish. I know, me too. Boat's filling up with water. Ocean rollers are starting to go over the sides of the boat. That would be. I know. Just capsize the boat, trying to get it in. Well, we had to beach the boats. Waves are just getting a little too big for the eider. It's kind of protected right here, but we got to do a little bailing because we got probably, I don't know, 6 inches of water in the boat and just waves breaching the sides.
The same beach that we camped at.
We did.
Parked at once.
Yeah.
Fish started a fire under that log and ate it.
Nice. It's incredible how much has grown up here. Wow, it doesn't feel as bad at all when you're sitting right here on the beach. All right, gotta start bailing. Yeah, that's a lot of water. Shush. Okay, I got the boat bailed out. Now we're gonna see if we can catch a fish. Sounds like Jeff got one around the corner. Fish on. Nice. No, I got another can of the raspberry wheat in there. The raspberry wheat. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Oh, it's a nice one too. I was. Oh. Oh, it's a good fish too. Oh, really nice fish. Oh, oh. Yeah, I'm good, I think. Oh yeah, beautiful fish. Oh wow, look at that. Big fish. Oh, nice. Oh wow, that is a beaut. Look at that fish. Holy smokes. Ah. That's quality sized fish. Check that out.
Look at the white tips on his fins there. That's cool.
Oh, that's beautiful. Nice. Oh, self-released.
Awesome.
Wow. Now we're kind of enjoying this nice little protected spot here. I know. You do that, I'll catch a couple more fish. Oh, yeah. Fish on. Oh. Sweet, it's another great fish. Wow, yeah, the Coldwater fish are back. Oh, man, he's pulling hard. Oh, trying to go down the weeds. Don't do that. Oh. Oh, he's trying to go in the weeds. Man, get up here. There we go. Another nice fish. Wow, yeah. He's big enough to where you just drag me down in the weeds there. Yeah, it's another quality fish. Look at this guy. Wow. Yeah. Oh, this guy. That's a huge fish. Coldwater rainbow. Wow. Sweet. I pulled two nice rainbow out of this little spot here. See if I can get another one to come up. There's just this great ledge and weed line here, and the fish are clearly just kind of hunkered down in the weeds waiting for something to come up above. Caught just two beautiful rainbows. All right, I'm going to try a technique here to where I'm casting upstream and then I'll spin around. There we go. Come on. All right, I thought this was a great opportunity to do a Tuesday tidbit. And what we're going to talk about today is if you have a cast that you want to make kind of parallel to the lake here, but yet if you look behind you, and Jeff, maybe you can look behind you and see all the trees, you can't make that cast without putting your fly up into the trees. So a great way to deliver your fly where you want it to is right now if I try to cast traditionally, I put my fly right into the trees. If you want to cast in the opposite direction of where you want to go, and then right at the end, deliver your fly. Just like that. So, back casting your way, cast upstream, and then just delivering your fly in the back cast. And you just made a 50-foot cast without having to worry about getting your fly stuck in the back cast. And that is your Tuesday tidbit. Wow.
You see that every day.
No. I hear like little peeps, like, you know, he wouldn't have a nest on the ground like that.
Look out, it's not making eye contact.
Is he okay? Yeah. Is that a baby bald eagle?
I don't know.
Because I saw a full-size bald eagle just fly away a minute ago.
You know, maybe we should look behind us and make sure we're not dead coming.
Wow. Beautiful bird, though. Oh, he looks okay. I think it's a baby.
I think there's two. Where is he?
He just flew up on the log.
Oh, okay.
So I think he's totally fine.
It's time for him to learn how to fly. Don't you?
Yeah? I wonder if he fell out of the nest.
Oh.
Pretty cool. Yeah. I'm fairly certain it's a baby bald eagle. Wow, what a difference a few hours made. I mean, mountains are now all shrouded in clouds. Big weather system cruised in here, got real windy. But hey, we made it to Liar's Cove, and guess what?
No.
I've got 16 fish to hand to his 15. I am on a 6-0 run. Fish on, baby! Yeah!
Where you just cast out into the abyss without instructions.
And I have more fish. Don't forget that. Huh? But all serious, we're in Liar's Cove. We're at the home stretch right here. This is where the numbers stack up or you just lose. So I don't plan on losing. We'll see.
One fish lead is
One
not
fish
a lot
lead.
when you're competing against somebody like me, Mr. Four-time All-American.
I better stop videotaping and get fishing. Let's do this. And just like that, I got a 2-fish lead. Fish on! Oh, wow. It's a nice one. Oh. Just to add insult to injury, it's a nice fish. Man, he fights hard against the motor.
It's only on one, dude.
Wow, that's a nice little fish. Very nice. Look at that guy. Nice little fish. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Trout. Putting me in the lead. Good. You know, Jeff, it's been a long time since I've been able to put this on video. Who's the greatest fisherman in the world? That's me. 2-fish lead.
12 hours.
I was holding back, trying to give you hope. All right, that concludes another day of fishing. There's one way I went, I just end the video, right? 17 fish to 16. Well, I'm just gonna relax and enjoy the fishing and not worry so much about videotaping. Thanks for joining me. And we'll see you next time. Fish on! You lose.